Tonight, a Houston area contractor accused in a theft scheme is facing some new charges as more alleged victims come forward.
We broke the story last week when Aleck and Andrea Miller got arrested for allegedly stealing client money meant for home renovations, not completing the work and gambling away tens of thousands of dollars at casinos out of state. KPRC 2's Bryce Newberry has continued digging on this story. He is live at the Harris County Jail tonight with where the cases stand. Bryce.
Keith and Daniela, both Aleck and Andrea Miller appeared in court this morning, but the judge found no probable cause in her case. That means it is dismissed for now, but that same judge increased his bond. Tonight he is still in jail, now facing a fourth felony charge. Investigators say he spent more than $1 million at a Louisiana casino, some of that money stolen from his clients. In an Orange County jail jumpsuit, Aleck Miller answered to a Harris County judge Tuesday morning. Still in handcuffs on his fifth day in jail, the 55-year-old contractor is accused of stealing around $200,000 from at least 7 victims. He had been wanted since last June, charged again earlier this month, and arrested last week, days after we reported on the alleged scheme.
I appreciate you guys bringing this to light, and, you know, man, he's a bad dude.
David McDaniel has known Miller for decades. He reported him to law enforcement again a week ago.
When I looked at the TV and was watching the story, and I was like, you got to be kidding me that this happened again.
McDaniel says he loaned Miller $3,000 to help out with construction supplies last summer, was promised to make an extra $1,000 and be paid back within weeks. He still hasn't seen a dime.
My money went into his bank account to go blow at the casino, sounds like.
While Miller allegedly made excuses for not paying people back or completing jobs, Harris County Sheriff's investigators say he was at the Golden Nugget Casino in Louisiana, where he spent more than $1.4 million, some of it stolen, on gaming tables and slot machines.
Great salesman, great pitch, clean cut.
Ignacio Osorio hired Miller for an outdoor patio and kitchen project 2 years ago. Work kept getting delayed, once because Miller said his mother had a stroke, passed away, and he had to go to Greece to bury her, records show. But she died in 1998.
It's hard to swallow that somebody took you or took advantage of you for that amount.
Someone else did the job after Miller allegedly pocketed some $93,000 of Osorio's retirement money.
And I'm hoping he gets what he deserves.
I don't think that she plans a future with him any longer, and she's very upset about all of this because understandably her name has been besmirched.
While swirling in legal trouble, Miller may now face marital trouble. His wife, Andrea, arrested last week, accused of being a co-conspirator, walked out of the courthouse charge-free. The judge raised his bond by $35,000, sending him back to jail where longtime acquaintances say he belongs.
If he's going to be out and on the streets, he's going to do it to somebody else again.
And I've spoken with several alleged victims over the last week. All of them say they want to see justice for the innocent, hardworking people who have been taken advantage of. Tonight, Miller's bond is set at $110,000 total. He is expected to face a judge once again tomorrow morning on this new theft charge just filed today. Keith and Daniela.
Bryce, we understand that the theft charge has been dropped against the wife, Andrea Miller, but could she still be facing any other legal troubles?
Well, that remains to be seen. Her defense attorney actually claimed today that Aleck Miller used a phone pretending to be her in some of the communications with clients. But just because her case is not moving forward right now, prosecutors say that they can still present evidence to a grand jury. That's a group of people who live in Harris County to decide in the future if she should be charged. We're live downtown tonight. I'm Bryce Newberry, KPRC 2 News.
All right, Bryce.